Want to bet? Thanks for tuning in, folks. We got old Husqvarna EZ 4824 came in. Doggone thing's only got, well, if y'all could see it, 140 hours. So what we've got is a no start issue. It does spin over. Extremely fast, like no compression. I'm going to go ahead and remove the couple of bolts and get this shroud out of the way so you guys can see, and I'm going to show you how to diagnose what's wrong with it. Y'all stand by. Now, normally on a turns over no start, first thing I'm going to do is pull the air cleaner out and give her a little shot of brake cleaner, see if it'll pop off. The reason I'm doing this one this way, I'm removing these spark plugs. The reason I'm doing this one this way is just because of what I hear. I hear so many of them. I'm going straight in here, pull these plugs, and we're going to do a compression test. That looks pretty black. I'm going to go right off the bat. We're going to do a compression test. So let me get these plugs out, and we're going to see what kind of compression we're dealing with. So I've got, just because of that sound is why we'll do it that way. Getting this other plug out. We're going to hook up our tester. That one looks kind of wet too, and smoky. Let's hook this puppy in. Alright, y'all excuse me. Can you see? Let's see what's going on with this first one. Hit 75. Let's do it again. Boy, that's low. Let's check the other side. Excuse me again. See if y'all can keep y'all, and you can see exactly what I'm doing and how long this takes. Our next step is going to be another simple step to go further. All right, y'all remember what the other side said. Excuse me again. Now that one popped right on up to 75. I think what we're going to do, let's pull this valve cover off, take a look, see if our rockers are rocking. What do y'all think? That's our pulse line, operates the fuel pump. Now let's see, is this going to pop off easy? Nope, let me go get a screwdriver. All right. What you want to do, be careful not to bend this like that, because we will have to straighten that so this thing will seal back up. And some of these things are on there. Here it comes. Now I've got to remember I had to straighten that up. Boy, that's stuck on there, wasn't it? Okay. Let's see if our rockers are rocking. Notice we got, our rockers are not moving here. Neither one of them. Y'all stand by, we're gonna pop this other side loose too. So, as soon as I pop this valve cover, guess what? Parts fell out. Right down there on the floor. Look at there. Oops, sorry. Right there, look. It fell apart. Wonder why. Well, folks, it appears the wicked purple witch here has won. No mow grass today. I guess nobody is, because I just called the customer. He does not want to go and spend the money on going into this engine. The push rod is actually missing. It's gone. I see no sign of it. I'm guessing at this point that it got up in there. Maybe it hit the cam, messed up the cam or something, but the engine's got to be taken off and torn down, and the customer does not want to go that far. So anyhow, I hope this will help someone out on how to check out your machine, give you a little information anyway. So y'all take care. Thanks for tuning in. Click that subscribe button. More videos coming soon. I missed it.
No grass cutting today, my pretty.